Hello students, I am Dr. Rashmi Sharma, Associate Professor अजमेर। आज हम जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज इन जोलॉजी के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। After doing BSc, MSc and PhD in zoology, one can get teaching job in colleges, in university, higher studies. After doing BSc, MSc, B.Ed, can teach in schools, biology researcher, student can become biology researcher, scientist can become scientist in many fields, content developer, he or she can become content developer, research associate or RA in all branches of zoology and science, geneticists study genetics, senior associate scientist. There are many other opportunities in zoology like TET. They can pass teacher's aptitude test and become teacher, primary school teacher or secondary school teacher, biomedical scientist, lab technologist, lab technology course diploma in lab technology, and he or she can become lab technologist study all parameters, and they do all parameters like blood parameters, body parameters, biochemistry test. So it's very interesting to become lab technologist, microbiologist. After doing BSc, MSc in microbiology, microbiology is a branch of zoology which deals with microorganisms. So the student can also go in the field of microbiology, clinical research associate, statistical officer. Statistical officer is a post in administrative services. The student can also become statistical officer. He has to keep all information, population statistics, and other animal statistics. Biotechnologies, after doing BSc in zoology, the student can do post graduation in biotechnology, take a specialization in biotechnology, and biotechnologist also can do all the tests of biotechnology. Immunologist, after recent pandemic, immunology has become an important field. Structural biologist, in Western universities, structural biology is important branch, and the student studies all the structures of all animals. This is also important post, structural biologist. Environmentalist, due to increasing land pollution, increasing soil pollution, increasing air pollution, increasing water pollution, the student can also become environmentalist, and he can suggest how to improve our environment. Physiology scientist, physiology, body physiology of every person and every animal is different. So student can also become physiology scientist. This is also one of the very interesting branch of zoology. Development bio, developmental biologist is also an important branch of zoology. It studies development of all animals, including human being. Agricultural officer, he or she can also become agricultural officer after doing BSc in biology or zoology. He can opt post graduation in agricultural studies, and agriculture officer is a very important post in agricultural universities. Entomologist. Entomology is the study of insects. The student can become entomologist, and he or she can take a special paper entomology in MSc final post graduation. Fish and fishery development. Fish and fishery development is also economic and important branch. Apiculture or honeybee culture. After doing honeybee culture, honey is a very economically important product. It is taken by human being, and it improves physiology and biochemistry, and it is rich in vitamin B complex and nutrients and minerals. So apiculture or honeybee culture, which produces honey, is also important branch of zoology. Nowadays, many apparatus are present in which you can do honeybee culture to produce honey. Lag culture. Lag is also a branch of entomology. Lag culture, like it is insect, and lag bangles are made. And in Rajasthan, these lag bangles are famous and these are very auspicious. So, student can opt for lag culture, and lag culture and lag has economic value. Sericulture, silk culture. Silk saris and silk cloth we have seen after doing silk culture, after training in this course, silk moth culture, silk production, which is economically important. The student can also go for that. What he or she has to do after doing BSc in MSc, entomology should be taken, and this is silk culture or sericulture is the branch of entomology. Pearl culture. Pearl, we have seen these pearl bangles and necklace and pearl earrings are made. Pearl culture, pearl we obtain from marine animal. A student can also opt for pearl culture. Poultry keeping, पोल्ट्री कीपिंग जिसे हम मुर्गी पालन भी कहते हैं egg poultries they produce eggs unfertilized eggs he the person can also open his or her own poultry and do the business of poultry keeping. Fish farming, this is very important. Fish is one of the part of food rich in protein and oil, and it is eaten in East India and South India, where water is also available. Fish farming can be done, and fishes are economically very important. Job in Wildlife Institute. Wildlife Institute. Student can opt for post graduation in wildlife biology after doing graduation. Wildlife Institute is there in Dehradun. Students should visit Wildlife Institute Dehradun, and they can study wildlife. This is also a very good job opportunity. Bird Center. Recently, I have seen Director Salim Ali Bird Center. So one can opt for bird studies, ornithology, and go for such post like director or deputy director in bird centers. Job in forestry after doing graduation and post graduation in forestry, student can opt for job in forestry department. Forest department is rich in flora and fauna, so this is a very interesting job. Wildlife conservation, after doing graduation, student can opt for wildlife studies in post graduation, and he or she can go in wildlife conservation field. This is also very interesting field, and I also want to do wildlife conservation studies. Wildlife of every place are different. Animal photographer. Animal photography is a new field, and if you are having a good camera, you can do animal photography, and you can these competition on international level you can participate. Animal identification and classification. UG level, undergraduate level students and postgraduate level students, they learn how to identify animal and how to classify it, and we have to keep it in vertebrate group or invertebrate group according to external characters. Is vertebral column is present or vertebral column is absent, or it is microorganism, or it is fungus, or it is protozoan, or it is porifera, in which group it belongs and in which group it should be kept. Now, on the basis of different external features and classification, we can put the animal. This is also very interesting branch of zoology. The student can also go for animal culture, vermiculture, vermicomposting, pearl culture, insect pest management. Vermicomposting means composting using earthworm, and vermiculture where the soil is not productive. Vermicompost is added to the soil so it becomes more productive. Pearl culture, we know pearl is used by ladies to they wear in earrings and necklace and bangles. Insect pest management. Many insect pests destroy agricultural fields, and insect pest management study is also a recent branch. Chemical insecticides should not be used, and biological insecticides made from Pongamia pinnata or Azadirachta indica should be used, because we know chemical pesticides are very harmful for our body and all animals. They can be cancerous or disease causing. So insect pest management is also a very interesting branch. Psychology. Psychology is a branch of zoology which is nowadays become very attractive by in western countries, and students opt more for psychology. Primary health care, graduation or post graduation in primary health care after doing BSc. This is also very recent branch of zoology, and students of western countries, they opt for primary health care, and they can take care of primary health centers. Leadership program, one can opt for leadership programs. After doing graduation, one can opt for B Pharma or D Pharma, Bachelor in Pharmacy, or post graduation and doctorate in pharmacy. The student can become pharmacist and open his or her own medical shop where all types of medicines are available. This is also very interesting branch of zoology. Open medical shop can also do BAMS, Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery, and Ayurvedic branch is dealing with herbal products, and use them to cure the diseases. This is Indian traditional branch and very interesting. Herbal products are not harmful for our body, but allopathy medicines are very harmful for our body. They can degenerate our kidney, can affect the working of kidney, and can affect the working of liver, and they can cause skin allergy. Many allopathic diseases like diclofenac, paracetamol, they are allergic to many persons, and they reduce the functioning of kidney and liver. But Ayurvedic medicines are marvelous. They they strengthen our body parts like kidney and liver. So doing BAMS is also very interesting. Student can know concept of Ayurveda and they can treat the ill people. Student can also do MS or MD in after doing BAMS, and this has become very popular after this pandemic COVID, because allopathic medicines are harmful for our body, but Ayurvedic medicines are not harmful for our body. The student can become veterinary doctor, wildlife rehabilitator, marine biologist, marine scientist. These are totally different branches. Veterinary doctor treat animals, all type of animals he treat, and he has mastery in animal science. Wildlife rehabilitator, we are destroying wildlife, we are cutting forest and building schools and houses and hospitals and doing agriculture. Wildlife rehabilitator is also very important post, and one student can opt for wildlife studies after doing graduation. Marine biologist, post graduation in marine sciences, this is also very interesting. Veterinary assistant, after doing graduation, the student can also do veterinary course. and become veterinary assistant. Zoo educator is also important post, and after doing graduation, the student can become zoo educator. He can do administrative job or caretaker job in zoo where animals are handled. Wildlife rehabilitator, as we have already discussed, the student can also become wildlife rehabilitator. Veterinarian and park naturalist. Parks are being constructed by man in front of every house, so the student can opt for park naturalist study. Ichthyologist. Ichthyology is the study of fishes. I have also told fishes are economically important. They are taken as food. Purses are used and their skin is used to make belt, purses, etc. Ecologist, the student can become ecologist because of anthropological activities. Ecology, human ecology is being degenerated every day. So ecologist can take care of human environment, all the environment of Earth. Marine mammal trainer. This is also important post in Western countries like seal or animals, whale, they seal or some animals can be trained, and this is diploma and post graduation course given in some Western countries. Marine mammal trainer. This is done after doing graduation studies. Herpetologist. Herpetology is the study of reptiles. So I become a herpetologist, ranger and agricultural manager. After doing BSc, the student can opt for post-graduation in agriculture studies and he can become agricultural manager. This is also very interesting job because our country, many persons are dependent on agriculture. More than 3/4 people are dependent on agriculture. Fish and game wardens, animal scientist. These are very interesting job opportunities after doing BSc in zoology. Primatology is study of all primates, and this also gives a job in many places. Malacology is mollusk study. Most of the mollusks are sea living, and some mollusks are freshwater living. This is also very important and interesting branch of zoology. Paleozoology is fossil study. This is a very interesting and important branch and gives you job as paleozoologist. Ornithologist, we know due to anthropological activities, number of birds and number of animals are decreasing due to pollution, land pollution, soil pollution, water pollution, air pollution, habitat destruction, and all human activities like house building and building materials, school building, hospital building, forest cutting and agricultural fields. Birds population is decreasing. So ornithologists have a very interesting field. Ornithology is an interesting branch of zoology. Myrmecology is ant study. Ants are present in all world, North America, South America, Africa, India and Asian countries. This is also a very important branch of zoology. Neuroethologist, endocrine and nervous control of behavior. All of our behavior is controlled by endocrine glands and nervous system. Deficiency of some endocrine secretion can cause diseases. We have studied in graduate and postgraduate classes. Mammologist study of mammals. This is also very interesting branch of zoology. Conchology is the study of shells. Sea living animals have shell. Study of shells is also very interesting. It can also give job of conchologist. Zoology has many more branches like anthrozoologist, study of human and non-human animal studies. This is the post in Western countries. Cytologist, cytology, a study of cetaceous animals. Melitology is scientific study of bees, also known as apiology. Melito is Greek word. Anthropology is study of human behavior. Entomology is very important branch of arthropods, and insect studies entomologist. Arachnologist is spider study. Medical microbiologist is very important post. They medically examine all microbes. Medical biochemistry is also very important post. Medical biochemist, and medical he or she studies all the biochemistry of all humans. The student can opt for animal behavior study or ethology studies. It is also very interesting branch of zoology. And if you go through newspapers, employment news, you can find these all jobs post of animal behavior scientist, animal physiology. The physiology of each and every person is different, and there is a professor of physiology in many universities and medical universities. This is also very important and interesting branch of zoology. Wildlife biologist, as I already told you, that wildlife study is very interesting study. Wildlife, animals and plants are becoming less day to day because of all human activities. So wildlife studies and wildlife biologist is also very important post. Medical coding course, this is also recent course, medical course, coding course. JRF is Junior Research Fellow and SRF is Senior Research Fellow. After doing BSc, MSc, you can pass CSIR JRF exam or NET exam, and you can opt for Junior Research Fellow or Senior Research Fellow. Government gives scholarship to JRF and SRF. Nursing is also important branch of zoology. After doing graduation, the student can opt for nursing course and become male or female nurse, taking care of patients. Bioinformatics is very recent branch of zoology. The student can study bioinformatics. After doing the course of clinical analyst, the student can become clinical analysis after doing graduation course. Clinical analysis, then he or she can do all clinical analysis done in clinic or related to human diseases. Lab assistant, this is also very important in graduate college or in universities. Lab assistant, after doing lab assistant training, the student can do lab assistant job. This is done after doing BSc. Museum course, museum caretaker. All universities and colleges, they have museum where samples of dead animals are kept, and diploma course is given by many universities. Museum in diploma course in museum, and the student can become museum caretaker. Technical manager, he or she can become technical manager after doing technical course. Study director, to become study director, one has to do BSc, then MSc, then MPhil or PhD. After doing these courses, he or she, the student, can become study director. Food nutrition studies diploma, after doing graduation, the student can opt for diploma in food and nutrition. This is also very important branch of zoology. He can become teacher or assistant professor or associate professor or professor in food and nutrition department. Yoga, after doing BSc, the student can opt for diploma course or graduation course or post graduation course in yoga. This is also very interesting branch of zoology. Population studies diploma and graduate and postgraduate courses. After doing graduation, the student can do diploma or graduate or postgraduate course in population studies and become assistant professor, associate professor or teacher in population studies. To become professor, as we all know, undergraduation, BSc, MSc, PhD, postdoctoral studies are done, and the student can become professor, assistant professor, associate professor, or professor. Conservation scientist, animal conservation studies are done. Diploma in animal conservation studies or graduation or post graduation studies after doing BSc, and the student can become conservation scientist. The student can also become sustainability officer after doing graduation and post graduation, zoo curator or zoo administrator. After doing graduation, BSc, the student can do zoo curator course and become zoo administrator. Animal scientist, become animal scientist in all branches of zoology. Farmer and ranger, student become farmer and ranger. Molecular biologist, DNA structure, DNA fingerprinting, etc. The student can take special paper in post-graduation MSc final as molecular biology, and he or she can study molecular zoology and become molecular biologist. He can study DNA structure, RNA structure, DNA fingerprinting, and enzyme assays. Ethologist study animal behavior. Student can opt for diploma in ethology, or he or she can take a special paper ethology. Physiologist, as we have already talked about this, body physiology of every person is different, and he can opt for special paper physiology or biochemistry. Statistical officer is administrative post. Taxonomic classification, study of classification of all animals. Biodiversity studies, animal biodiversity studies diploma can be taken after doing BSc or graduation. This is also very important and interesting course. As we know, biodiversities of all places, North America, South America, Nearctic, Neotropical, African plate, Australian plate, Oriental, and all regions of biodiversities are different, and one can study biodiversities of different habitat. Cell biologist student can take special paper in MSc final and can study structure of detailed structure of cell and how the structure differs in all animals and all tissues. Cell biologist can do job in molecular and cell biology institutes. Economic zoology scientist, the student can become economic zoology scientist after doing graduation. He can do specialization in economic zoology. This is not available here, but many universities provide this course, specialization in economic zoology. Vertebrates and invertebrate study, scientists study animals having vertebral column, vertebrate studies and invertebrate studies. These are branches of zoology, wide branches of zoology. Aneurin conservation studies, they can opt for aneurin conservation studies. These are aneurin conservation course given by some universities. Reptile scientist or study of special studies of reptiles. As here in Rajasthan, many species of reptiles are present. They are present more in deserts. He can opt for aquarium assistant and take care of aquarium. A full career in zoology first of all needs bachelor degree, then postgraduate degree, and higher level of education experiences is a plus point. Zoologists have fulfilling and high paying careers with right skill set. The student can become ophthalmologist, gynecologist after doing medical studies, can opt for medical studies and become ophthalmologist, gynecologist, skin specialist, and neurologist, nephrologist, and many more courses he can opt. Thank you. You should see all employment news and inquire on net for employment given in zoology branches. Thank you.